how to make activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has so many uses. You can use it to filter water. You can use it for alcohol poisoning. You can use it for accidental ingestion of poisons. You can use it to whiten your teeth. There's so many uses. Absorb foul odors from the air. We're going to use it to make a pine tar salve also. So what you need is charcoal. Now you could have gotten this out of the bin from my tar making video. I'll put some links in the description. Or you can make it yourself as I did char cloth. Instead of use a bigger container and put the hardwood in there until you get the charcoal. It's very brittle. Okay, you want to grind it up until you get a powder. Place that into a container. This is a very small batch, okay? Now you're going to mix that with either calcium chloride, lemon juice, or bleach, okay? And that's going to cause a reaction in there. But I chose to use a pure organic lemon juice, which has nothing in it but lemon juice, since we're going to end up putting this in a salve. So use some distilled water. The ratio is going to be 75% water, 25% lemon juice. So I got about 3/4 of a cup of water. The rest is the lemon juice. I made a lot here, but I'll just drink it. So pour it into your charcoal. Swish it around. You want to have it covered. You don't want it totally saturated, but you want enough to get it covered. If you can see that, it's kind of like a slurry. See that? And you know you have enough. Okay. You're going to put the lid on. And you need to let this sit for 24 hours. So we'll be back tomorrow to finish this. Okay folks, we're back. I took the charcoal out of the solution that it was in, and I rinsed it off. And I spread it out on here. As you can see, it still has a lot of water in it. Okay, so the next step is going to be to put your oven on at about 180, if you can. 200 would be good, 225, somewhere around there. And put this in your oven for about the minimum 30 minutes. You know, keep your eye on it. It could take up to an hour. Make sure it's all dry and all the water is gone, and then we'll show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, this is all dried out. It ended up taking about an hour and a half at 200 degrees. For the last half hour, I actually propped the door open, which I believe worked better, let the steam come out. So it's all ready to go. In an upcoming video, I'll show you one use for it, and the other uses I spoke to you about in the beginning. I love these little bowl jars. You can fill this up, throw it in your backpack. You go camping, you're out for a hike, and somebody with you, they ingest something that they shouldn't have. You'll have this in your backpack. You can use it to help that. You could brush your teeth with it if you had to. There's so many uses for it, like I said. So there you go. That's me doing stuff. Thanks for watching.